and welcome to our pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and today I'm going to be teaching you the third of our 44 English sounds. Are you ready to get going? Brilliant, let's get started. So the sound that we're going to be learning today is the sound W. That sound again? W. Now the sound W can be found in many words like water, work and week. Those words again? Water, work and week. Now it's your turn. Perfect. Now the sound W is known as a voiced sound, which means that we use our vocal cords to vibrate the sound. It's also known as labiovelar approximate. Wow, a big word, right? Well, this is what we mean by it. A labiovelar approximate means that we use our lips to person like a pout at the front, use our tongue to create a little gap at the back, and then voice the sound out. Let me show you slowly. So, the W is pronounced like this. Lips out, like a little pout. The rest of the mouth nice and relaxed. Use the tongue to create a narrow space at the back. W. And voice that out. W. Lips like a pout. Narrow space at the back with the tongue. And blow out. But voice it. Make sure you voice it. W. W. And those words again? Water, work, and week. Those again? Water, work, and week. Got those? So the words water, work, and week all have the sound W at the beginning. Words like towards and away have the sound W in the middle. There aren't, however, any words that have the sound W at the end. Can you think of any more? Remember my famous saying, practice makes perfect, because it really, really does. That's it for today's session, and I'll see you next time for our full sound on our fantastic Lingwizer mobile app. The chance for you to learn English sounds and phrases very easily and very, very quickly. You'll be like an English pro in no time. I'll see you next time. Bye!